And here is the packaging. It's got the 2 pieces of tape, one on each side. Try to on one hand open this. And see if it does it. Not too hard. Did that with one hand. Let's try this other one. Not bad. So the box should easily open. And here it is. I don't care about how the box looks or anything like that. I just want the phone, so I'm not like a fancy unboxer. And here it is. I like ordering phones new sometimes, like brand new, just directly from Google, because it's not going to be a refurb unit, or it's going to have a fresh lithium-ion battery inside. Because on these phones you can't change the battery. It's kind of a thing of the past. But how things are talking about this phone being plastic, it doesn't even really feel that plasticky. It feels very, it feels premium to me. I think it does. This is a $400 phone, $399. And what I did to get this was, to me, it made it worth it, being that they would pay $256 for an iPhone 6 that I had laying around. So I'm trading that in. They're going to send me packaging to send that phone in to get the credit. I had to front the $426 or whatever it was after tax, but I mean, yeah, really cool. It's got the adapter from USB Type-C to USB-A, so that's cool. Or I can just plug it directly into a vehicle. Like I have an Equinox, and it has USB-C. The 2019 Equinox does. So I could plug this directly into the vehicle, or I could just do Type-A and then to the phone. And let's see what the charging brick looks like. Looks just like the other ones that Google has recently used. So not bad. Doesn't take up a lot of space. Take up one slot in a power strip. If you have any questions about this phone, let me know. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.